Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to download Capcut. So as you see, I have downloaded Capcut in my mobile. So how to download it and which version is best for your mobile. So how to do it? First, when we search for Capcut in Google Play Store, so you will see that this app is not available here. So what you have to do, you have to just go to any browser. So I'm going to Chrome browser and you have to search for Capcut. So you will see latest version is 13.8.1. So just click on it. So we are not going to download the latest version, because some features are not free in this latest version. So what you have to do, just scroll down. You have to scroll down, and at the bottom you will see here older version of Capcut APK. So you have to download 10 to 12. So I'm going to download this 12.3, and now click on download anyway. So when you click on download anyway, click on it and you will see that downloading has been started. Now after that, what you have to do, here you will see that downloading file. Wait for a few seconds and you will see that this app is downloaded. Now what you have to, just click on it and just click on package installer and click on just once. Now you will see that, do you want to install this app? Click on yes, install. Now this app will be installed in your Android mobile. So like this you can download Capcut in your Android mobile. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.